In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update ChatGPT app to latest version. We'll begin from the Windows desktop. Move your cursor to the Windows search bar at the bottom of the screen. Click inside it and type Microsoft Store. As you type, Windows will display matching search results. Once Microsoft Store appears as the best match, click it to open the application. After the Microsoft Store launches, you'll see the main page with featured apps, games, and other content. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the account menu. From the available options, select Store Settings to access the Microsoft Store Settings page. At the top of the Settings page, you'll find the App Updates option. If it's currently paused or turned off, switch it on so the Microsoft Store can automatically check for available updates. Once enabled, the status will indicate that it is actively checking for updates in the background. Just below that, turn on the option for notifications for app installations as well. This helps you stay informed whenever updates are completed. Give the Microsoft Store a few moments to process the update check before moving on. Next, use the navigation panel on the left side and click the Home icon to return to the main Microsoft Store page. After the home page finishes loading, click inside the search bar at the top of the window and type ChatGPT. Press Enter to search for the application. When the search results appear, locate the official ChatGPT app and click on it to open its product page. Here, you can review the app information, ratings, and screenshots before launching it. Now, locate the blue Open button and click it. The ChatGPT application will launch. If a message appears saying that your session has expired, simply sign in again using your account credentials to continue. For your privacy and security, always keep your login information confidential and never share it with anyone. Once you're signed in, the application opens with its refreshed interface, displaying the welcome greeting along with the active message input bar. This confirms that the ChatGPT app has been updated to the latest version and is ready for regular use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,